Hello, this is Mrs. Lew. Let us look at this maths question. We are given this equation, fx equals to x cubed plus 7x squared plus 8x minus 12. Okay, we want to show that x plus 3 is a factor. So x plus 3 is a factor. I'll substitute in f minus 3. So I substitute in and I actually get a 0. So I can conclude that x plus 3 is a factor. Okay, next, given that this equation equals to x plus 3, which I have confirmed is a factor, times this quadratic, okay, where a, b, c are constants, find the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so for part 2, we'll compare these two equations and their coefficients. Then by comparing the coefficients, we can get the answer for a, b, and c. Okay, so now I'll write down this equation, x cubed plus 7x squared plus 8x minus 12 equals to x plus 3 ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so now I compare the coefficients. Okay, we can conclude that a equals to 1, 3c equals to minus 12, and c equals to minus 4, and we have 3a plus b equals to 7, and therefore b is equals to 4. Okay, then the third step, hence solve the equation fx equals to 0. So now we know this whole thing equals to 0. Okay, so I'll write it over here. So I substitute in the values for a, b, c equals to 0. So I know x plus 3 is a factor. So x equals to minus 3, or this one equals to 0. So how do I solve for this? I use the formula. X equals to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so I need to substitute in all the values. So it's equals to minus 4 plus or minus square root 16 minus 4 bracket a is 1, c is 4. C is minus 4, so I put a plus over here. Okay, divided by 2a. A is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer will be 0.828 and negative 4.83. Okay, finally, they ask you to solve, okay, use the solution from what we get in part 3 to solve this equation. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, now in part 4. Okay, so you notice that this equation looks similar to this. So what is the difference? The difference is, this is x cubed, this is x to the power of 6. So you just replace x by x squared. So you replace x by x squared. Okay, so you notice we have 3 answers, minus 3, 0.828, and minus 4.83. So we just check which one is the right answer. Okay, so we notice that x squared equals to minus 3 is not applicable. Okay, then we have the next one, x squared equals to minus 4.83 is also not applicable. Okay, and finally we have the last one, x squared equals to 0.828. Okay, so finally the answer x will be equals to plus or minus 0.910. Okay, that's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.